Guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a simple and delicious ground beef fried rice recipe. This recipe is packed with flavor, quick to make and perfect for 2 people. If you're cooking for more, just adjust the ingredients accordingly. Alright, so with me here is a regular beef and I process it with my food processor, but you can use store-bought ground beef if that's more convenient. So as you saw earlier, I marinated the beef with some water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, homemade spice. You can use white pepper. That works perfectly. We'll add in a little oil, then mix all together and set it aside. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to chop in 2 cloves of garlic into smaller pieces and set it aside. I also have 1/3 small size of onion. We'll also chop them into smaller pieces and set it aside. I have 1/4 medium-sized carrots. I'm going to chop them into smaller cubes and also set it aside, okay? Okay, I have 3 spring onions. I'm going to separate the white and the green parts of the onion, then also set it aside. I also have my overnight cooked rice. It's about 1.5 cup. We'll also set that one aside and crack in 2 eggs into a bowl. Add in a little salt, give it a quick whisk and set it aside. Over a medium heat, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil, then allow it to heat up. Once our oil is ready, I'm going to add in the white part of the spring onion and the chopped onion. We'll saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are nice and translucent. Once they are ready, I'll add in our marinated ground beef and cook it until they are almost done. We'll go in with the chopped garlic and keep stirring to prevent burning. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of rice vinegar and stir it really well. If you have dark soy sauce, add in a tablespoon for color and let it simmer for a few minutes. Then remove it from the heat and transfer it into a plate. Alright, so to the same pan, I'm going to add in a little oil, then go in with my cooked rice and stir fry it. I'll go in with my chopped carrots, and not to worry if your carrot is crunchy, the steam from the rice will soften them up, okay? We'll move the rice to the side of the pan and add in a little oil, then scramble my eggs. Once the eggs are done, I'm going to mix everything together. We'll then go in with a tablespoon each of soy sauce and oyster sauce. Then mix it together and add in our cooked ground beef to the rice mixture and stir everything together evenly. Turn off the flame and garnish it with your green part of the spring onion. And that is it. Your ground beef fried rice is ready. Delicious, super easy. Trust me, you're going to love it. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification for more delicious recipes. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.